Haven't ever experienced a retraction and tried to boost my account only to see no improvement? If you have tested many strategies and still don't see actual results, this video is for you. I'm going to share a technique that finally got me all the downturns that can change your situation too. So let's go. Alright, wait to see the surprise I've prepared for you. Stay with me through the whole video and it's worth it. Today with that one, guys, we're gonna use the cleanest candle in 15 seconds on time frame. Alright, and guys, we're gonna use two indicators that I've used before in the previous videos, right? Supertrend and Vortex. So for that one, Supertrend, we're gonna use period multiplier 10 and 2. That style, we're gonna remain with that. Vortex 13. Okay, I just changed the colors, so that's up to you. So right away, guys, I'm to be using 1 minute trade. Okay, $58. So this is just one that you need to do, and we got this one. Okay, so let's go with that. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna be having a very good opportunity right this on this particular level. As you can see, we have a consistent candlestick. So right here, we're going to be in for the sell trade. You can see that right in this particular one. And if you could see right in this, we'll have the consistency of candlestick. That's a very good one. And the next figure we saw right here, it's a spot, but trying give us a signal to sell trading to the market. Another thing we also put in this consideration, the vortex. Okay, the vortex indicator. Can you see the two lines intersect with each other as well? Not only that, we have the red line actually above the green one for the super trend. That's very good confirmation. That's a sell trade, right? Hope we're getting it right, guys. So the base thing I need to consider is on the second candlesticks, and they need to see that verify the vortex and verify the super trend. Look at that, we got our first one, $111, right? It's sensational to know that this is just one strategy that could change your path in this market. To go professional, matching the best and most profitable methods necessary. Don't worry, though I've prepared two exclusive resources that will be vital for your development. Stay tuned until the end, guys, and let's go. Okay, and look at that, we got another one. That's pretty good. It's a good opportunity right here for the sell trade again. You can see the consensus. Okay, so what we're looking out for right here at signal from our resistance level. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Giving us a sound opportunity into the market before I can be able to play the trade. Right here, we have the vortex, the crossing line on that. The super trend indicator is showing for us in this particular level. And another thing was just into the consideration, guys. That's vortex. You need to identify that. You can see the two lines intersect with each other right here. It's actually giving this very good sell opportunity. So, a situation whereby it's this kind of chop candlesticks, please do not enter trade. We must be able to see that and then find that. Okay, so look at that. Oh good, man, we just got a draw on this one. That's a tie, right? So guys, let's try to increase our amount and to take the next one. Okay, let's go. All right, look at that, guy, that's so beautiful. When I find another one right here, I going to enter the start opportunity again. That's a very, very good one. And the reasons why we enter the sell trade, that is very clear, right? It's pretty much simple. The first thing consider here the candlesticks, and then I just take a look on the super trend, the red line above the green one, the vortex, right? Just to confirm our trade entry. Guys, that is Very good. The red line is above green one. Very good opportunity to enter trades. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. So that is very good. Another thing I advise for those that watch this video, for this particular level, it's also for you to understand the trend. In this case, for a sell trade, you must be looking out for basically a downtrend opportunity. Remember that. In this case, a downtrend, you should be looking for selling opportunities. All right? Uptrend, buying opportunities. And look at this, guys. We just got another one. $108 in the total. All right. Helping to increase your win rate from 17% to 90%. I hope you get it right, guys. Okay. So just subscribe to the channel so you can be part of us. All right. Actually, right now, wish good profit, guys. Good operations. And I want to see you again in another video in another live session. Okay. Have a good one. Bye. See you.